Meet Timo. He works in IT and is always busy. He's responsible for all the software his colleagues use. Timo is always being called to solve problems. Timo needs to watch out. Before he knows it, he'll be stressed out and off work. ATS Teconomy has a coherent solution for this sort of problem. Application packaging, virtualization and management. We build a sort of shell around every application. Every application is packed into a box. That's why we call it packaging. Our customer lets us know what they want from each application, the user rights and changes that users may make. ATS Teconomy gives advice and options each step of the way. Then we get to work and the application is virtualized and tested by a packager. As soon as someone needs an application, it's offered on their device. What does this achieve? It means no application has to be installed on the device. Every application is made available faultlessly every time. The settings are consistent every time. Every application is perfectly documented. Unnecessary software implementations are eliminated, saving money. That makes Timo a happy ITer. Everything nicely organized at the lowest possible cost. How do we make sure the package process works? With ATS Package Flow. This is a specially developed ATS Teconomy system which supports the packaging and virtualization process. After implementation, one can use Package Flow Lifecycle Management. Each assessor can see which assessments are allocated to which person. The packager then knows exactly which packages must be packaged and virtualized. The coordinator can see how the project is developing and can steer the project as needed. The customer can see how far the project is completed, all in real time. ATS Teconomy, the application packaging, virtualization and management specialist.